Food! Food is nakakakilig. The one who guesses wrong will wash all the dishes for all the episodes. I think I'm going to win. Welcome to Food Loves Marie! Kita nyo naman, behind me washing the dishes is Kim because he lost the bet.
Hi, I lost. I'm so sad.
While Kim is in Manila, he has to experience the Simbang Gabi tradition. That's why we're having a Simbang Gabi food special! Simbang Gabi is a night mass. But usually it's held early in the morning, around 3 a.m. Yeah, and then after the church or after the mass, we buy traditional food items being sold around the church. So
It's purple.
it's puto bumbong. Go ahead.
It's so sticky. But it's good. But I can't believe that I have to wash dishes again later.
This bibingka is best paired with coffee or hot choco. So yummy.
It's very good. They should sell this every day, not just Christmas.
Well, maybe you can take some home.
It won't be the same.
This local hot chocolate is sequate. It's made with tablea.
Oh, it's very soothing.
Perfect for early mornings.
Then I'll bring Korean snacks next week.
For the Despedida episode.
I'll miss all of this, except washing the dishes.
You still have to do that.
No, I don't want to do that.
May Kapuso Christmas stories ka rin ba? Share it with us in the comments below.